Welcome to the electrical safety videos. This first video will focus on the basic measurements and protections. Let's do a quick review of the easily avoidable mistakes and minimum protections in electrical installation. These are common mistakes found usually in the electrical installations of our projects. When these installations were checked, the logisticians, even without having any knowledge on electricity, managed to identify by themselves all these common mistakes. This means these situations can be easily avoided by checking the installations regularly. When checking the installations, we should make sure that these two golden rules are always followed. Number 1. All elements of the installation, such as sockets, switches and cables, must be well attached to the wall. Number 2. No naked cables must be visible and all connections must be done inside a junction box. Everyone in the team should be aware and report any of these errors. This means that the logistician should include these points in the safety briefings. Okay, we have seen the easily avoidable mistakes. Let's see how to protect the installation. An electrical installation is made out of a main circuit and several secondary circuits. A single phase circuit consists of two cables, phase and neutral, supplying electricity to a group of sockets, lights or an electrical appliance exclusively, like an air conditioner or a water heater. Now it is clear what a circuit is, let's see which protections must be present in the installations to be safe. There are two kinds of active protections. The circuit breaker, which protects the wiring and the equipment against short circuits and overheating, and the RCCB, residual current circuit breaker, which protects people from having an electric shock. The RCCB can easily identified because they always have a test button. In these pictures you can see the electrical boards usually found in our structures before upgrading them. Be sure to always know the location of the electrical board of every structure to cut the electrical supply in case of an electrical accident or fire. They consist of several one-pole circuit breakers protecting the different secondary circuits of the installation, such as lights, sockets, air conditioner, water heater, etc. Let's now see the schematic of this kind of installations and how to improve them. This is the schematic of a single phase installation normally found in the field. As you can see, only one cable of the secondary circuits are protected. Let's see how to improve this installation. First, install a general circuit breaker in the main circuit. The capacity of this breaker should be selected according to the total estimated power consumption of the structure as seen in the chart. If, for example, the consumption is 5 kilowatts, a 25 ampere general breaker would be enough. Second, install an RCCB in the main circuit. The sensitivity of the RCCB at user level should always be 30 milliamperes, and the capacity has to be always equal or higher than the capacity of the general circuit breaker. So, for a 25 amperes general breaker, we will choose an RCCB of 40 amperes and a sensitivity of 30 milliamperes. Remember to press regularly the test button and to check that after pressing it the whole installation is off. Third, if the neutral wire is clearly identified for every circuit, install two pole circuit breakers in every circuit to protect both phase and neutral, remembering always 10 amps for lighting and 16 amps for sockets. If it is not, leave it like that. So remember, in order to have a safe electrical installation, checks must be done regularly, the protections of circuits must be upgraded by an electrician as explained, and our installations must also have a proper grounding system. Remember to get in touch with the electricity focal point and to check the electrical safety guideline to get more info about this subject. Thanks for listening and see you in the next electrical safety videos.